Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. This is me Sayyid Shujatullah, your educator. As you all know that we have been doing a series of lectures on the latest document released by the Telangana government, that is Telangana State at a Glance Report 2024. Already two parts we have done on this and today is the third part. In the part 1 we have talked about the characteristics of the Telangana state with regard to administrative units that we have done. And the second part we have done with regard to SC/ST literacy rates. We have also seen little bit of demographic profile of our Telangana also. Now in the part 3 we are actually learning about the GSDP trends or in the Telangana at the current prices. This is our discussion. And all the lectures related to this particular series you will find in a separate playlist that I will create today. Okay, and do watch in the description what I have written. So it is having lot of what I say is that links where you can purchase your courses, purchase your materials that will serve your purpose in any of the examination that are conducted in Telangana state. Let us start our discussion. Yes, this is where we have to start our discussion from today. Gross state domestic product at current prices. Remember this point, when we talk about current prices, we are actually talking about, okay, in the year 2023 to 2024, if the pencil cost its 10 rupees, how many pencil were produced and what is the cost of all the pencil produced? In the same year, fridges were manufactured in our Telangana, how many fridges were manufactured and what is the cost of all fridges? So we are actually taking the current prices. Current prices are nothing but the latest prices that has been attributed or attached to the goods and services in the latest year, nothing but the last financial year 2023 to 2024. Okay, so whenever you're going for group 2 or group 3 or objective type related examinations, you should always know the latest data only. Constant prices questions will not come. Constant prices where you will generally try to understand the impact of inflation on the goods and services by taking a base year into consideration. You know the static concepts with regard to that's why I am not dwelling into much. But for a newcomers, it has to be like little bit of incentive that I have to give them while discussing the lecture. That's why I'm doing it. Right. So current prices is nothing but the latest prices of goods and services in the last year. So let us see here with regard to the current prices. So we are having, as you know, that the complete economic structure. Economic structure is nothing but it is divided into 3 types: primary, secondary, that is industrial sector, and tertiary, nothing but service sector. Okay. So structure of economy is divided into 3 important sectors, and these sectors are again divided into subsectors. We know that very well. Like primary sector is also called as agriculture sector, and if you see that agriculture sector is again divided into forestry and logging, fishing and aquaculture. Okay, then we also have livestock and cropping sector, nothing but our regular crops. Industry sector is again divided into manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas and water supply. Service sector, you know that banking and finance, storage and communication, broadcasting, real estate, professional services, public services, all these will come into what? All services come into, even gym will come into service sector, even education, whatever I am also taking you classes online comes under what? Service sector. Okay, and health also comes under service sector, right? So economic structure is nothing but economy is divided into 3 important sectors. So let us see that how they are faring in the year 2023 to 2024. What was their performance? If you see in the agriculture sector here, agriculture, livestock, forestry and fishing. Agriculture is having cropping also. So 4 sectors are there in agriculture sector. 2022 to 2023, the at current prices, agriculture total gross value added is 2,03,000 crore, whereas for 2023 to 2024, it is 2,11,000, means it increased. This increase, the statement increase that you have to remember. Okay, now let us see here with regard to all of them in the chronological order. So if you see in agriculture and allied sectors, the sector which is contributing highest to the gross state value added for agriculture sector, the subsector which is contributing highest to agriculture is cropping sector, 1 lakh crore. Means out of 2 lakh crore, 1 lakh crore is coming from cropping sector, nothing but cereals, rice, wheat, okay, fruits, etc. so and so forth. Okay, it is nothing but 50% of the primary sector or agriculture sector gross value added is coming from cropping sector. Then followed by Livestock sector, nothing but sheep, goats, rearing, cattle rearing, etc. So and so forth. 98,000 crores. Out of 2 lakh crores, 2 lakh 11,000 crores, 1 lakh is coming from cropping sector. The 98,000, almost like another 1 lakh is coming from livestock sector. Nothing but these two sectors, okay, cropping and livestock sector contributes nearly 90% of agriculture GSVA. 90% of agriculture GSVA. These kind of statements you have tried in the group 1 examination, so please remember it. Okay. Then followed by, okay, the third important is here we are having, you can see in this particular document they have given the mining and quarrying here only. So mining and quarrying basically we study in an industry sector, but in this document they have given in primary sector. So no need to worry about it. The third one goes to what? According to this document, the third highest contributor of subsector in primary sector is mining and quarrying, 29,000 crore. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the second highest contributor to the agriculture GSVA. Okay, this is the third one. This is the fourth one. Okay. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Remember the chronology, very important. Okay, they may ask you in the examination that which one are the, arrange the following subsector in the chronological order of their contribution to the primary sector. They may ask you like that. So they may give all of this in jumbled way. You have to arrange in the form of options clearly. So cropping followed by livestock, followed by mining and quarrying, followed by fishing and aquaculture. At least remember this point. The subsector that contributes least to the agriculture GSVA is forestry and logging. Contributes only 4,500 crores. Remember this point. Then total primary sector value is how much? 2,40,000 crores. 2,40,000 crores in the latest current year. Okay. So we are done with the agriculture sector now. Now let us go with the secondary sector, which includes manufacturing as a subsector, followed by electricity, gas and water supply and construction. Here if you see that manufacturing, the total value of secondary sector is 2,19,000. How much it is? 2,19,000. In the 2,19,000, 1,28,000 is coming from this manufacturing only. 1,28,000 is coming from manufacturing only. Okay, electricity, gas and water supply is third year, construction sector is second year. If they ask you in the chronological order, so in secondary sector, manufacturing will come at the top, followed by construction, then followed by electricity, gas. At least remember 1,28,000 around. This is like construction sector is around 66 and electricity, gas and water supply sector is 24. Like that minimum 66, 24, 1,28,000, 66, 24. Like that if you remember, no, it will become very easy for your examination if the questions comes very tough. Okay, now we'll talk about the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is nothing but, see, you can see that a lot of services are included here in tertiary sector. Okay, so first of all we'll see what is the value of tertiary sector. We'll see the total value. If you see, then we will get one idea. The total value of tertiary sector here is 8,80,000 crore. Okay, 8,80,000 crore. 8,80,000 crore. So if you see here, this is 8,80,000 crore service sector, and secondary sector you are having how much? This 8,80,000, let us make it 9 lakh crore. Secondary sector is 2,19,000 crore. So there 8,80,000. That 20 will become here 9 plus 2, then become 11 lakh crore, and the primary sector is 2,40,000 crore. 11 plus 2 lakh, so almost like our Telangana gross state domestic product is almost 13 lakh crore. Remember this point. How much it is? 13 lakh crore. This is the minimum understanding that you should have. Okay, so we have learned with agriculture, we have learned with industry sector. Now we will talk about in tertiary sector. Okay, now if you see here, in tertiary sector, the highest contributor, let us see one by one. Trade, repair, hotels and restaurant together 2,55,000 crore. Okay, out of 8,80,000 crore service sector total GSVA is there. No, we have already learned. In that 8,80,000 crore, trade, repair, hotels and restaurants are 2,55,000 crore. Within that, if you see only trade and repair services, 2,42,000 crore. Hotels and restaurants, nothing but are actually OYOs, etc. 13,000 crore. Okay, so here in this sixth subheading, okay, trade and repair services are contributing highest. Okay, followed by, let us see now, transport, storage, communication services related to broadcasting. Okay, 1,02,000 crore. 1,02,000 crore. If you see in this, the highest contributor within this, okay, transport means you can see here up to 7 This is the seventh number, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 4, 5, 6. So this all comes under what? This particular area. Now you see here within this, road transport is highest contributor. Not even, yes, road transport is highest contributor, number 1, followed by what? Communication and services second. Followed by communication and services second. So within this sector, transport, storage, communication and service related to broadcasting, in this the highest contributor is road sector, followed by what? Communication services. This point you have to remember. Within road, within trade, repair and hotel and restaurant, it's the trade and repair services are contributing more. In transport, storage, communication, broadcasting, it is the road transport which is contributing highest, followed by what? Followed by communication services. Now if you see, let us like the subsector which is highest contributing totally in service sector is trade. Okay, 2,42,000. After that 2,42,000, let us see if anything is there in more than 1 lakh or near to. Here you can see that even the real estate sector independently is contributing 3,13,000. It means what? In service sector, please remember this point very clearly. In service sector, okay, the subsector which is contributing highest is real estate, 3,13,000 crores. Whereas the second highest sector which is contributing the service sector, we have already seen that it trade and repair services, hotel and restaurant, that is around 2 lakh crore. Like that, overall you can learn this way. This is a very good analysis. This is how you have to learn for your examination. Okay, now the total service sector value that we have seen, 8,80,000 crore. So combining agriculture plus industry plus service sector, all the values together, as I have told you that almost like 13,40,000 crore is our GSVA. How much it is? 13,40,000 crore is our GSVA. Remember this point according to this particular document. And taxes on products, 1,61,000 crore we have taxes. Subsidies given to the various production activities or service activities is 38,000. So taxes plus then this minus we will do. So ultimately if you add completely gross state domestic product, you are getting, okay, so this plus this minus you have to do, then you will get what? 14,63,000 crore is actually the gross state domestic product of our state. Okay, I hope this is all clear to you. I hope that how you have to learn, you know that basic prices means what? Basic prices is nothing but it is the cost of production that the manufacturer generally incur along with the taxes and the subsidy. Along with the taxes and subsidy. When you add the taxes and remove subsidy from the basic prices, okay, basic prices are nothing but the cost that is incurred by the manufacturer on the unit of a product produced. On the unit of a product produced, that is called as basic prices, but that cannot be sold, so you have to add taxes, you have to subtract subsidies, then only you will get what? Gross state domestic product, which is 14,63,000 crore. I hope this is all clear to you. I'll come with the next lecture. Keep watching, keep subscribing, do share all to all of your friends, and do enroll in the courses. Empower us. Thank you.